This is the RANVOO Air Jet II electric toothbrush, and it's probably one of the most advanced toothbrushes in the world. In fact, it's so professional that it literally feels like you have a dentist with you on the go. So welcome back to the video. As I'm sure you guys can notice, we're in a different setup. I'm currently in my bathroom. The main focus of this video is on the RANVOO Air Jet electric toothbrush. Before we get started on the video, a like and a sub is always really appreciated, and it goes a long way. We're really close to 30,000 subscribers, so if you want to be a part of that team and celebrate that with me soon, then go ahead and do so. Immediately to the naked eye, what jumps out with this toothbrush is its design. It's very unique and intricate, but it actually provides a very futuristic experience. It has a touchscreen on the front that's going to allow you to see what kind of information you are checking out for the toothbrush. So that's the brushing style, the method that you're using, the battery, and things of that nature. It has a really premium built-in quality. It feels really sturdy and of high quality. It has a good grip. Now, after testing this toothbrush for a little bit of time now, I realized that it actually fixes two main issues. So it removes basically 99% of plaque, and it's a great toothbrush for people with sensitive gums. Now, actually, studies show that there's so many people who have sensitive gums. In fact, they actually have receding gums or overly sensitive gums, and so a lot of these people tend to experience pain in their gums when using normal toothbrushes. But on the bright side, the RANVOO actually kind of mitigates all of that. There's no pain whatsoever, and I know myself, I tend to have some sensitive gums, especially in the front area here. So with the RANVOO toothbrush, it's been an absolute breeze, and I've had no pain whatsoever. Now, you might be wondering to yourself, all right, so this is an electric toothbrush. It's great. It has, the basic features that an electric toothbrush has. Now, what makes this toothbrush stand out? It's actually the technology inside. So within the head brushes themselves, you have an air bubble system. It's going to be creating air jet flow that's going to allow to really deep cleanse between all the crevices within your teeth. So not only you're brushing your teeth and cleaning the surface of your teeth, but you're also going inwards and you're really getting into those tight to reach spots, creating the perfect cleanse. This technology is great and it works like a charm. It's actually been a really great experience. In fact, you might be surprised, but this is the world's first air jet brush. It actually is one of its own, providing a technology that is new. Now, I must say I was impressed with the overall quality of this product. From the very minute that I unboxed it, the unboxing experience was great. It felt premium. I really did feel like I was unboxing something kind of like on its own. Not only did it have a nice premium package, and it had everything included inside, which is also a great feature, but it comes with absolutely everything. You have a charging cable, a charging port. That's actually pretty cool. It's been designed in a way for you to mount it on the wall, to have your toothbrush hanging from the wall, which is actually really cool. Alongside the essentials for the toothbrush, you also get this box with 3 specific head brushes, which is actually great because it allows you to test out 3 of their most popular head brushes, which do a really good job for different types of cleansing. Now, just here, this is the box that it comes in. You have the 3 separate head brushes. You have one that's designed for sensitive gum care. It pursues a gentle cleaning to meet daily brushing needs. This is your everyday brush for most people. So the all white brush is actually for soft gum, and it is a 0.1 millimeter ultra fine bristle for gentle care, ideal for sensitive gums. So this is going to be for your people who have sensitive gums. The white and blue head brush is a balanced multi-effect brush head and independently zoned for both cleaning and gum protection, ideal for daily oral care. So kind of like an in-between one. And the last one, which is actually the one that I'm using at the moment on my toothbrush, is the diamond whitening brush head. A DuPont Pro grade diamond bristle focus on whitening and polishing teeth. This one's really the best of both worlds. It whitens your teeth as well as incorporating the AirJet technology. Now, since this is a piece of technology and it runs on its own battery, I think battery life is one of the more important factors. It actually has a really, really good battery life. So on paper, it does say that it's going to be a guaranteed 30-day battery life, but quite frankly, it's honestly been more than that. I've had it for quite some time now, probably even over 30 days, and it's just been great. I've seen some videos online and I've seen some reports that people say that this can actually last you maybe close to 45 days. Some people even pushed it to 60 days, which is crazy. 2 months of battery life on a single charge is really impressive, and it's great for traveling. So if you won't plan on getting this toothbrush and you're going to be traveling a lot, or your job requires you to be on the fly a lot, then you definitely won't need to charge this all the time. It's just going to last you. Now, for those of you who are thinking to yourself, okay, well, this toothbrush is great, but what are it's kind of like the warranty of it? It actually has an SIC anti-mold coating. Now this means that people can use it for longer, saving them more money down the line on a longer run, because this toothbrush is gonna last you for months and months on end. So you won't have to replace the toothbrush itself. You might have to buy a few head brushes, but luckily you do already get 3 inside of the box, which should last you for several months. So I've been really impressed with the RANVOO toothbrush. It's been a great experience. I definitely love the bubble jet technology. It actually has a higher rate of plaque removal, up to 97%. It has a higher rate of preventing dental decay, and it really clears the gaps between the teeth. It really provides an all-in-one experience to cleaning your teeth in the best way possible. Now I do want to give a big thank you to the team over at RANVOO for making this video possible. Actually, by the time you're watching this video, it's probably the holiday season and close to Black Friday. So if you're interested in picking this up for yourself or maybe as a gift, then this is the perfect gift for a tech enthusiast. I'll make sure to leave everything in the description down below for you guys. Go ahead and take advantage of it. And if you do pick it up, I'd be really curious to know what you think of it. And with all that being said, I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.